Before we jump into the vlog, I wanted to say thank you to Everyplate for working with me on this video. I am so excited to open this up and see what we're gonna make for dinner tonight and for the next few nights. Everyplate is the best value meal kit out there right now, and what drew me to this so much is that they come up with 12 new recipes every single week. So you guys know how much I like to cook, and I just feel like with 12 new recipes every single week, I will never get sick of the choices that they have. You also know that we just bought a house, so my schedule is just a little bit busier than normal, and meal planning and going to the grocery store really does take up so much time. So just kind of having all of that work done for me will really save me so much time. And also these meals take like 30 minutes, so it'll be quick and easy but still healthy for my family during this like busy time. And I know all of you guys are busy. I feel like everyone just has busy schedules, and this is just going to be a total game changer for my family. And I have a code for you guys. With my code LOW179, Everyplate is only $1.79 per meal for your first box, and then you can get an additional 20% off your next 2 boxes. So it is an insane deal, and like I said, I'm just so excited to have this, and it's gonna be so nice for my family. So I am gonna start the vlog here, and we will see you guys around dinner time, and we will open up this box together. Welcome back, guys. It is Friday. I thought I would do a little day in life vlog. This week has been so busy. I feel like we've either had plans, we've been packing, or we've had like people over, or we've like had plans to like meet people all week long. So it's already Friday, and I kind of feel like I'm just now kind of getting caught up. So I'm just doing like our bedding right now in the wash, kind of slowly cleaning up our house. And now I think we're gonna run to the grocery store. We have 3 Easters this weekend, so we have stuff to bring to all of them. So I'm going to grab dessert from a bakery that I bought, because if you know me, you know I suck at baking, but recently I've liked buying it and like making like fun little desserts to bring places. So I'm doing that for one Easter. Another one I'm doing just like a fruit bowl, which will be super simple, and then the other one we're gonna do some like cheesy potato type thing. So it's all very easy stuff, but I have to go get the groceries for that. And then on David's side, there's just a couple kids gonna be at the Easter, so I'm gonna just do a little bit of like a little Easter egg hunt for them. So we're gonna go get stuff to fill those. I'll take you guys along. I don't need to explain everything that I'm doing, but Remy just woke up from her nap, so I'm gonna go grab her, and then we'll probably make her lunch. Okay, we just fed Remy lunch. She had a sweet potato, which has been her favorite thing ever. She's ate a ton today. She must just be hungry. Are you growing? But anyways, we're gonna head out and do a couple errands. We need to, you guys, if you watched the last, I don't know, probably like 2 weeks ago or whatever, I went to Zara to try to return something that I didn't have a receipt for. I've literally gone there like 3 times, going back and forth with how I can just like literally get a different item. And I finally got a hold of like their customer service, and they found the receipt for me. But now, of course, it's been past 30 days because it's literally been like back and forth about it. So we're gonna try one more time today to just return these items. And if they don't let me, I'm either gonna put it on Poshmark, or I'm gonna have a campfire in my backyard and just do away with these things. Kind of kidding. I definitely am kidding. I won't have a campfire, but I'm just like so over them. I literally just tried it on. I'm like, can I just like keep this? Do I like it? And I'm just like, I will never wear it. So I'm gonna give it one more try, and then whatever, we'll deal with that. And then we're gonna go grocery shopping, and then we're gonna stop at the house again. I'll probably stop at the house every vlog from here on out until we are moved in, just to like check in. And also the flooring guy's been there for the entire week, and I haven't like stopped to like talk with him to just like kind of see how things are going. So we're gonna go stop there. Hopefully he will be there when we get back. So we're gonna head out. We're gonna go to Zara first. Wish us luck. Okay, we're back home and I got Remy down for her second nap. It is already so late. She was like, I think because she took a long morning nap, she just was not ready to go down. So it's already 3:45. My camera died when I was out. I was gonna film a bunch more, but it died after we left the house. And I think the house looks so good. It just makes such a big difference, the flooring. It used to be obviously really dark and now we're lightening it up a lot. So that's that. Talked to the flooring guy for a while, just kind of deciding on stain and stuff. But yeah, got a couple things to make for Easter tomorrow, so I just had to pick up random things. And then I picked up this. I think I talked in the last vlog. I've never tried it, but I love this creamer, the Chobani one, and they just came out with a brown sugar one. I'm pretty sure this is new. So I'm very excited to try this. I'll probably try it tomorrow. But now I'm gonna put these groceries away and then I have to fill a bunch of Easter eggs. So I'll kind of show you guys what I'm doing for that. Okay, I'm gonna start filling up these eggs. So I got enough to fill for David's side of the family, and then I'm gonna refill them after we do one egg hunt to take to my mom's side of the family. So I have a lot more candy than I do eggs, but I will do like a little refill after we do the first egg hunt. So I think I said, but David's side, it's basically Remy and two other pretty young girls. So I didn't want to do just a ton of candy because most of them like don't really eat it. So I thought I would do some little stickers. I thought these were kind of cute. They're just like little different food. So I'll just like cut one out and then stick it in the egg. And then I found these little fruity like squishy toys that I thought would fit in the eggs. They're just like little apples, a little banana. They're really cute. They're little I think they're supposed to be little mochi fruits. So I got those, which I think the girls will like. And then I found this at Five Below, and they're erasers, but I just thought they were super cute. And I mean, they won't use them as erasers, but just as like little toys, and they were like the perfect size for an Easter egg. So I got those, and then I had some other candy for my mom's side because there are like bigger kids. But that is what I'm gonna fill the little eggs with, and I just got like an array of different eggs. I'm not really sure why I got glitter ones because I see the glitter everywhere, so that will be a mess. But I'm gonna go ahead and just fill a bunch of these before Remy wakes up because I feel like filling these with her would be not good.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain sunk hills, sky color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona.
Okay, it is time to start dinner, and like I said earlier, we are going to be using Everyplate for dinner tonight. I am so excited to see what is in this box. I picked out one of the meals, but the other two are a surprise, so we're just excited to see what's inside. We have the food and then the 3 recipe cards we got. The first one is a caramelized zucchini linguine with a lemony Parmesan cream sauce. That sounds so good, and I feel like a perfect meal for like a Friday night. The next one is a Kung Pao beef bowl with green bell peppers and peanuts. This looks really good, and I know David will like this, so that will probably be something he wants to make. And these next ones, a turkey pineapple taco with a spicy pickled onion and a lime crema. You guys know how much I love a taco. So those are our 3 options. I'm not really sure what I want to make, but these recipe cards are so nice, and I feel like even after I make these, I'm going to save these so we can just kind of make them at home afterwards too. I'm thinking tonight, it's Friday night, might have a little glass of wine, so I think the pasta is probably what we're gonna make. But look at this box of amazing food. It's all pre-packaged in the perfect sizes. Like, these are little peanuts. How cute. Parmesan, the little noodles, literally all so fresh too. We have like a bunch of ginger, a shallot, jalapeno, lime, green pepper, green onions, which I love. This is so fun. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out all the ingredients we need for the linguine and we will start cooking. Okay, just finished the pasta. It looks amazing and it smells so good.
It smells really good.
One of the options was to add crushed red pepper to make it spicy, so you guys know that I did that, and I don't know, this kind of looks like it might have came from a restaurant. What do you think?
We'll give it a taste test.
David's usually the pasta maker, so we'll see how I did. Okay, let's give it a taste test.
Mmm. It's really good.
Mm.
The crushed red pepper is definitely needed. I love the little bit of kick.
Yeah. Okay, this is actually so good. And another thing on the recipe card, so this is a vegetarian meal. We just chose it. It sounded good to us. But they show ways that you could like add salmon or other types of meat and stuff. So it's very, what's that word? Like it can be versatile.
Versatile. There
So
you go.
yeah, anyways, it's really good and you guys gotta try it. Okay, we're gonna keep eating this, but I just wanted to remind you that there will be a link in my description where you guys can get your first box. Each meal is literally $1.79, so such a good deal. And then the next 2 boxes after that, you get 20% off using my code LOW179. Definitely try it out. I know we'll be using it so much the next couple months when we're busy moving. And just, you know, everybody has a busy life, and I feel like this makes everything so much easier, takes all the work out of cooking and meal planning, which will be super nice. So anyways, check out the link in my bio. Morning guys, it is bright and early on Saturday and we just gave Remy her Easter basket because we won't be here on Easter morning, as in Christmas morning, which was super cute, and she's having fun playing with all of her stuff. And then I think we're gonna head out in a couple minutes to go get coffee and breakfast from this cute little place and then head over to the house because we never went yesterday to see. I think he's gonna leave us a couple samples or a sample on the ground that he wanted us to look at. So we're gonna go get coffee, breakfast, and then go to the new house, which sounds really exciting, and I need coffee. So we will see you guys when we're at breakfast. Back at the house, and he left a sample on the floor for us. So because these are red oak floors, like the natural color is gorgeous. Like this is just like what I want it to look like, but you obviously have to put like a stain on it, and I don't know, like really the technical things of it, but you have to put a stain and like protector on it, and that changes the color of the wood. So I originally was gonna do like a white wash to kind of cancel out the redness and all of that, but then he put this like water-based polyurethane down the other day, and it looked pretty good, and it had none of the like the white in it. So now he did a bigger sample for us, so that's what we're checking out this morning. But I'm kind of thinking it maybe is going to be too dark. I'm not sure yet. I feel like I need to like call my mom to talk to her, because I don't know, this stuff is hard to make the decision. Here is the sample. So this is what they look like with nothing on them. They're just like natural, which I love. But then that's when he puts the stain down, and so they get darker, but they're still light. And I like that it's still like the natural wood. I don't know, like, is it that big of a difference? It is kind of. And it's just hard to envision like if the whole floor is that, you know? Do I want to do the whitewash? I'm not sure. So I'm gonna call my mom, show her, probably FaceTime her so she could see it and get her opinion. What is your opinion on the floor?
I don't know, it's a tough call, because I wish we could see what it would look like with
Both. I know.
All of the stain, like all of the layers done, because it has to be done like 3 times.
I know, and then if it gets darker, it's not gonna be good. But I want to see the whitewash.
Yeah, we'll ask him.
Okay.
But I love how, if you look at like the difference between the old and the new already,
I know.
it's gonna be way different.
So different. But okay, let's call Lisa.
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Okay.
Because I'm sure it looks even lighter to me than it is.
I don't know. I feel like, okay, so see over here, like that's fine, but then like this, and like if he does, I don't know how many coats this is, I guess, but I don't know if like more coats it's gonna get like that.
Yeah.
And that I don't want, because then I might as well just cut that.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we have decided that we're gonna stick to the original game plan, which is the whitewash, because I just feel like this color, when it's everywhere, and if, I don't know how many coats that is, whatever, I won't get too specific, but I just feel like when it's everywhere, it's gonna seem darker even, and that kind of just defeats the purpose of why we even sanded them and took the dark off anyways. So I think that is what we decided. So yeah, hope this like little process stuff is interesting to you guys, because I just feel like it's like where my mind is at right now, so it's like all I think about. But I think we're gonna head back home, give Remy a nap, and then start getting ready for Easter.